song. Goodbye, Thimblemill Lane, where the dreams remain. Dancing through shadows, calling your name. I'm leaving the silence, I'm breaking the chain. Part of me stays in the rain. Goodbye, Thimblemill Lane, with your neon heart. You gave me rhythm, you lit up the dark. I'll carry the beat, though I'm miles away. Forever in moonlight will play. Flickering signs and midnight snow. Your laughter soft on the radio. Posters torn on the old brick wall. We were legends standing tall. Spinning like vinyl, hearts collide. You held my hand on the fairground ride. That moment lives in every song, even if the crowd moves on. Goodbye, Thimblemill Lane, where the dreams remain. Dancing through shadows, calling your name. I'm leaving the silence, I'm breaking the chain. But part of me stays in the rain. Goodbye, Thimblemill Lane, I'm turning the page. Time is a dancer, life is a stage. But deep in the vinyl, your voice will stay. Forever a song I replay. We were just kids in a glitter town. The magic lives in every goodbye. Goodbye, my yesterday flame. Every heartbeat still sings your name. I'll never forget how we lit the night under street lamps and disco lights. Goodbye, Thimblemill Lane. Let me know if you'd like to expand this into a visual story. Boy version or remix.